Hey, do you have a favorite recipe?
Yeah, I have a great one for spaghetti with meat sauce. How about you?
I love to make my grandma's chocolate chip cookie recipe. The cookies turn out yummy every time.
Spaghetti makes a delicious meal, but I also love a good chocolate chip cookie. Do you use any special ingredients?
For the cookies, I add a bit of cinnamon for a nice twist. How about you? Are there any special ingredients in your spaghetti sauce?
I use fresh basil. It's fantastic.
That sounds delicious. We should swap recipes sometime.
Absolutely. Sharing recipes is lots of fun.
Recipe, recipe. Fantastic, fantastic.
Twist, twist. Swap, swap.